have stuff on them soon.
They say New Year's about March,
It's a new year.
spring.
Spring into action. You know.
Because even the earth is flourish. Flourish.
Flourish and replenished.
Yes.
Yes. Revitalized, re-energized. Come look, baby.
I am looking.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, look, this is cool.
Paradise
Look how this one grew.
is very nice.
Isn't that unique?
It is very unique.
It's curled around this.
That's nature for you.
This is true. Very nice. Thank you. We got our Leaf for Life bank. Leaf for Life is really good too. I need to replant some of this.
Yeah. Then got knocked out by the wind.
Yeah, got knocked over. I have a few of them over here though.
Yeah.
They're a little bigger. I think it might be. There's a few of them back here too. Leaf for Life. This leaf, you drop one leaf, it'll restart the whole process. It'll grow a whole nother tree.
Yeah.
Yes. It's amazing. Oh, remember I was telling you, all of these are pointing the same way. Isn't that cool? They're all pointing towards the sun.
Yeah.
They're like reaching out. This is like a physical manifestation of the energy that they're putting out. And where it's going, what way it's directed. You know what I mean?
Pretty much.
It's so amazing.
Isn't nature so beautiful though?
Absolutely. Astonishing. Wow. 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 Come smell these, babe. This rosemary is popping. We got some Cersei over here too. Here the Cersei.
Yeah.
Cersei. Some reach up here. Yeah, trust me, baby. You want this one, babe?
Mm-hmm. Hold on.
Get it?
Hold on. You're gonna get it. I'm just gonna film it. Hold on.
Oh, you want to see it? The beauty of this baby? Beautiful baby girl. Nice and pretty. We got to get across that fence though and get those other ones.
If you want. Yeah.
There's a few of them on the ground too. They're okay. see the rosemary? It smells so good. Oh my gosh. And these Japanese plums behind you getting pretty big too. Want one?
Can you eat them?
Yeah, they real good. I like a whole basket full of them already. The ones that were ripe. Yeah, they're real good. And they have really good seeds too. Easy to plant, easy to reproduce.
Yeah. Japanese
That's
plum.
sweet. A Japanese plum. Want to taste some?
Hold on.
Very good. Natural living fruits.
Got a dog too.
Oh, somebody done ate this one. I just came out here the other day. One like that.
What? Let me see. That's rare right there.
There's some ripe ones over here. Them ain't ripe. They like it's red ones. Over here. All of these ripe.
They got a lot too.
I wanna give you all my love, yeah. Bite into that.
Let me see. Put to the camera.
Bite into it.
Hold on.
That's some good ones.
Tell the people what this is, baby.
Those Japanese plums, very good for you.
What they have benefits with that?
They have a lot of different health benefits actually. They're good for revitalizing the energy. Obviously, as you see, they're yellow orange, so that's a key indicator of kind of what they do. Yellow orange, they're good with revitalizing energy. I'm not sure if they have any vitamin C in them or not. And I think they have vitamin A. They're really good for antioxidants, revitalizing cells, giving nutrients to the cells, refueling them, protecting you against free radicals. Very good for that. And I think the skins are cancerous, cancer cure. Matter of fact, I don't know if I can say cure, but you know what I mean. They're very good in aiding to go do away with cancer cells. I'll say that.
Yeah.
They're good with stopping the reproduction of
Japanese plum.
Oui?
Chinese plum or Japanese plum?
Japanese plum.
Okay.
It's a Japanese plum. Want to taste?
Definitely. Japanese plum. I'm about to eat some Japanese plum right now. I am that I am. You already know, man. I'm all about nature, all about the fruits, all about everything, you know what I mean? Everything that outdoors produce, man. I'm here, you know what I mean?
You like it?
Shit, it's very nice.
It is. I told you that one's sweet.
It got 3 motherfucking
See?
seed on it.
It's a good one.
Yes.